What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm supposed to be joined by Casey and Nate, who, believe it or not, are actually running an hour and 30 minutes late. I've been here since like 9 a.m. and what we're trying to do today is we're trying to catch big bass on live bluegill. And right down there's a little spot that's perfect for live bait and bluegill. We actually brought a huge frog down there last week, dipped it in the water, and 4 seconds later, a monster fish just swam off with it, and that was crazy. So Casey and Nate are coming now, they're bringing the bluegill, and I was actually down there earlier because I did fish around this whole area, caught a few fish on the jig waiting for them, but I did look by the spot where we're gonna fish with the live bait, and there were 3 to 4 fish. Now I'm not sure how big they were. I did see some shadows. I didn't want to go too close to spook them, but I know there's some fish there, so hopefully we can definitely get on some fish. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video. It's actually a really hot day outside. It's humid, it's like 90, it's sunny, and so the water's really clear. I might try to scoop some underwater footage of a bass eating a bluegill, which would be epic. Don't know if I can do that. If you guys are new here, don't forget to subscribe, and I'm gonna wait for these goons to get here, and we're gonna head out there and try to have a good day on the water. You got the bluegill? What? Don't you have bluegill?
Nate thought it was a stupid idea to take it.
What? Wait, did you not bring the bluegill?
No, we haven't.
Oh, you didn't even bring the bluegill. I told the camera you brought bluegill. Well, turns out Casey didn't get the bluegill. There's the man that's running late. Props to him. All right, I'm gonna put this bad boy in the water. Make sure it's straight as can be. Here you go. All right, here we go. I'm gonna let some more line out. All right, let's see if I can get that one. Oh, there comes bass. Oh, the bass is just, oh, he's just chasing him. Did he eat him? Yeah. Oh, he spit it back out.
Oh, he's munching.
He's just.
Oh no, he's just playing with it.
He's playing with it. Eat it.
Look at that. Oh.
Swallow it.
He's got it in his mouth.
Did he swallow it? He's trying to, yeah, he's trying to swallow it.
If he can, he'll get it head first.
He's not a big one, but that is so cool to watch. Are you kidding me?
Yeah.
I don't want to jack the hook. He's swimming off with it. I don't want to jack it because what if it's not there?
Yeah.
Do we go for it?
1, 2, 3, 4. Hey!
Got him.
There we go.
On the gill. Bring him in front of that GoPro. Woo! The little guy. Took him forever to swallow that gill. Not the size we're looking for, boys, but that was pretty cool still. Oh, look at that. All the way down that bass's throat. Look at that, man. That is cool. Look at that. Woo! Bass actually went for him like 5 different times.
That's awesome.
And then finally got him. Okay, well, here's this bass. We can use the same bluegill. We're going to put this guy back. Get a nice release right there.
Oh! Oh my God.
What? Oh. Oh, that's a nice one. It's a big one. There's a big one. That's huge. God, he swam away. Oh, big one has it.
Nice.
Oh!
Big one?
He had it for a while. He went off. You gotta be kidding me. Oh, dude, there's a nice sized gill right there. Or like a small one.
Oh, there's a bunch of them.
Yeah.
Look at all the catfish, dude.
Yeah, I saw them last time. There were so many.
There we go.
Oh,
Yeah, 2 little catfish.
2 little catfish. Should we throw that on?
Oh, yeah.
All right. Using that 2 little catfish. Throw them on that pole.
And come out. There you go. Now he's gonna be really lively too.
All right, now we got a baby catfish on. Oh my God, this would be cool, man, if we catch a fish on this. This will be an easy meal too, dude. Yeah, I think I'd do better than this cat. Oh, bass just took him. Oh, he nibbled at him. He had him in his mouth. Swimming by it.
He's going for it.
Did you get it?
Yep. Nope, wait. 1, 2, 3, set it.
Oh.
Set it, set it, set it.
Oh, got him. It's a better one.
Ooh,
Took the catfish. Took the catfish, dude.
On the catfish. Where's that catfish at? It's actually kind of crazy. Hey, where's that catfish? We'll nut this guy.
All right. All right, that's a decent one, dude.
Hey, where's that other catfish at?
All right, that's a good fish.
That a boy?
All right, we got another little catfish. Hey, bring that catfish up. I'll show you guys what we caught it on. Definitely our biggest one, which is just a little chunk. But so we caught it on like a this little twin. We'll probably put him on the hook too. Oh, yeah. This just worked, but Casey said this guy was chasing. So I mean, this is definitely our biggest, but still, we've seen so many bigger ones, and I'm gonna release this guy by the camera. Still a nice fish though on that little catfish. Oh Jesus, she soaked me. My God, what a dick. All right, nice fish though. That was cool. Ha, got one.
Jesus, I got that on video.
Oh, video of what? My bait still here? No. Oh, he's right here. Get in there. That was dumb. Why would I try to crawl up that? That was so stupid. Another catch that big bass down there, huh? My shoe broke. Fantastic. Fan-frickin-tastic. Look at this. And that's the shoe I need to drive home with. Great. Alright. Well, a big bass will make up for all that. Oh, oh, oh.
Oh no.
He has it.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Oh yeah. Oh, net. Oh, that's actually.
That's a good fish, man.
That's actually a giant. Oh my gosh, dude.
Don't go in the weeds, don't go in the weeds. Oh shit. Guys, this
like
is
at least a 5 or a 6.
Oh
my gosh, guys, this is crazy. On the tiny catfish. Yo, I think we found the right bait.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Get out there.
Nate, bring it right over to this net. Hey.
Let's go, bro. There's a tank. Oh. Oh my shit.
Look at that thing.
Guys, that is huge.
That is a tank. All right, let's bring him over to the grass.
Oh, that is a freaking
It's hard to put this thing in perspective, but this thing is a giant.
Oh my God. Gotta get this hook out. Guys, the catfish does it. Check out the size of that bass on that catfish. Big old bass. That live catfish. That is absurd.
Yeah, that's
Yeah, we got this giant fish. That is awesome. Look at that. Total bucket. Do you guys mind taking a picture for me? Oh, that's a good picture. Ended on that. That's a great picture. Thanks for playing. That was awesome. This is the bass I was messing with us. Get a nice underwater release of this beautiful. There she goes. Boom! Woo! Thanks, boys. That was awesome. Good net job. All worth it that I fell down there, and my shoe broke. It's all worth it. It was all worth it.
That's another toad right
There's another big fish right there. Oh my God. I'm going down there. I'm catching more catfish. Here we go. Yeah, kind of. Oh, I got like 18 of them. Oh, that's pretty neat. Look at all that bait. Woohoo! Bro, we just got like the whole herd. There's a nice bass. There's a nice bass right there. He took it. He's got it.
I watched it either too. Oh, that's actually a decent one.
That's a nice fish.
Bring him up here.
Get him. Get him. Just pull him in.
Hey, Nate.
That's a nice one. That's a nice one. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah. Another beauty on the. This one's actually a nice fish. That's a nice fish on the catfish. It's literally cheating. It's so easy. And look at that hook. Yeah, he was just cruising by and literally just throw him in, and that catfish just, or the bass just eats that little catfish. Definitely the second best fish of the day. First one obviously being that giant, but still great fish, and we still got a lot of catfish left, and more if we run out. We can just catch them. There he goes. Boom. Awesome. All right, guys, I just pulled it back to the crib, unloading my stuff from the car now. But we had a great day today. Huge shout out for Nate and Casey for coming with me out there today. It was super fun. You know, we really thought we were gonna hammer them on the bluegills. Only caught the two, I think, 1 or 2 on the bluegill. Found that little stream that goes down to the rocks, and there's so many baby catfish down there. And those are the perfect snack-sized bait for these bass. And I actually did see some bigger bass. I didn't know if we were gonna catch any, but that big one came in, and he annihilated that little catfish. It was super cool. Put up a great fight, and he really tore up my thumb here. Actually, not even my thumb. He tore up my hand, my actual palm of my hand. He tore it up. So that's when you know fish has got a big mouth. If you guys are new here, don't forget to leave a fat thumbs up and subscribe if you enjoyed the channel. We do post weekly, so always want to stay tuned for that and click that little notification bell down below as well. That being said, guys, thanks again so much for watching. Had a great day with the boys. Thank you, Nate. Thank you, Casey, for an awesome day. See you guys next time.